Hi children, today we are going to do some activities from our workbook. See, I request you to open your workbook page number 10. Okay, page number 10. See what is the first activity. Read the following questions and tick the correct answer. Read the following questions and tick the correct answer. See, there are some questions and options are there. We have to tick the correct option. Okay. Why did mummy want Millie and Billy to stay indoors? Mummy told them not to go outside, right? They asked the permission to go out to play, but what did mummy say? Mummy said that you don't go outside, you play something fun indoors, right? Why did she say in such a way? Why? Because two options are given there. It was blowing gale outside. It was very hot outside. What is correct? It was blowing gale outside. It was very hot outside. Was it hot? No. What is the answer? It was blowing a gale outside. Wind was blowing heavily, right? That is what mummy said them not to go outside for playing. So answer is first one. Tick first answer. So first option. Okay, it was blowing a gale outside. Right. Next one. What did mummy ask them to do? Mummy said them to do something inside. What is that? She asked them to read storybooks to stay indoors. She asked them to think of things that would be fun to do indoors. What did mummy say? Mummy said them to read books, or mummy said them to think of things that would be fun to do indoors. Think and do something fun, she said. What did she say? Yes, mummy asked them to think of things that would be fun to do indoors. Something fun, indoor games you think and you do something, mummy said, right? So the second option is right. You have to tick the second option. Okay, second one is right. Second option. Okay. Next, third question. How did Millie and Billy make a tent in the living room? Millie and Billy made a tent in the living room, right? How did she make it? They pulled some chairs together and wrapped a sheet on them, and they used an empty cupboard box. Two options are given. They pulled the chair and they hang bedsheet on them, or they used empty cupboard. What is the right answer? Did they use the empty cupboard to make tent? No. What is the answer? They pulled some chairs together and wrapped a sheet on them. Right. First option is right. Third question, first option is right. Tick first option. They pulled some chairs together and wrapped a sheet on them. Right. Next, fourth question. Who did they pretend to be during bath time? They were acting, right? They were acting like something when they were taking bath in bathroom. How it was? See the options. Fish swimming around in a stream, or birds flying in the sky. How did they pretend or act in bathroom? See. Fish swimming around in a stream. They were acting like a fish, right, in bathroom. That is the right answer. Fourth question, first option. Tick first option. Fish swimming around in a stream. And last question, which toy did they find hidden away behind a cupboard while playing robbers, thieves? They found something behind one toy they found behind the cupboard, right? What was that toy? They found a little toy teddy. They found a little toy moose. Two options are there. Toy of teddy or toy of moose. Toy of moose. Last question. Second option is right. Okay, take the second option. They found a little toy moose. That is the right answer. Okay. See, next activity. Who said to who? Who said to whom? Here are some statements or some sentences are given there, and we have to find out who said this to whom. Okay. Can we go out to play now? Someone asked to someone, right? Who asked to whom? Can we go out to play now? Who asked? Children asked, right? Millie and Billy asked to whom? To their mummy, right? Millie and Billy asked to mummy, right? Next, look out of the window and you will see what I mean. When they asked to play, go out, what happened? Mummy said no, right? Then children asked mummy, why couldn't, why are you saying in such a way? It is, weather is not good, mummy said, right? Then they asked, how can you say that weather is not good? Then what mummy said? Look out of the window and you will see what I mean. Look out of the, who said? Mummy said to Millie and Billy, right? Look out of the window and you will see what I mean. This statement is said by mummy. To whom? To Millie and Billy. Next. We really did have lots of fun indoors today, didn't we? They played many things in daytime. Then when they went to bed for sleeping, Billy said to Millie, what? We really did have lots of fun indoors today, didn't we? Who said? Billy said to Millie. Okay, Billy said to Millie. Next, what about Mooster? Who asked? What about Mooster? They got a toy of moose behind the cupboard while playing, and they take it and they cleaned it. Then they made a tent and they went inside for playing that time. What about Mooster? Who asked? Millie asked it to Billy. Okay, Millie asked it to Billy. Okay, these are the answers. You have to read the textbook properly and you will get those answers. This is your homework. Okay, you have to fill first and second activity from your workbook, page number 10 and 11. First and second activity, you have to write the answer neatly. I will send answers along with this video. Complete the answers from page number 10 and 11. This is your today's homework. You have to answer for it. Okay. Write neatly and send to me. After writing your homework, you take a snap and send to me. Okay. This is your today's homework.